Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga. In our previous Pranayama video, we learnt Surya Bhedi Pranayama. I'm going to link it up here, check it out and practice. In this video today, we are going to be learning the science and the practice of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. According to the science of yoga and Ayurveda, the human body contains various energy channels which are called as nadis. So according to Ayurveda, there are 72,000 nadis, and the 72,000 is just a minimum number. There are beliefs that there are more than 72,000 channels in the body. Amongst these 72,000, the three important nadis are the Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Now the Ida nadi is the representation of the lunar energy. Ida nadi ends at the left nostril. So in Chandra Bhedi Pranayama, Chandra represents the lunar energy, Bhedana means piercing or pushing through. The focus is on the left nostril. Now let us learn how to practice Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. Bring your right hand up. Close your index finger, middle finger, your thumb, ring finger and little finger will remain open. This is called the Nasika Mudra. Now turn your palm towards yourself. Use your thumb, close your right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Use your ring finger support with your little finger. Close the left nostril and exhale through the right. So this is one round of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. Let us practice 6 rounds together. Nasika Mudra. Turn your palm towards yourself. Use your thumb. Close the right nostril. Switch. Open the right nostril and exhale. Close the right nostril. Open the left. Inhale. Switch and exhale. Once you complete the exhalation, very gently bring your hand down, close your eyes and observe. Observe the insides of your nostril. Observe your breath. Observe your state of being. Notice all the changes before and after pranayama practice. Slowly and gently open your eyes. I'm sure you must have experienced this. Chandra Bhedi Pranayama is known to cool the body down. So it is super effective for reducing the heat in the body. It also helps to calm and relax the mind and body. Regular practice of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama is known to give a wonderful stability and calmness within ourselves. I hope you found this video useful. The next time you are stressed out, you know which pranayama to practice. Do not forget to like this video and share this with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to my channel to get notifications about my upcoming videos. Be kind, be present, be grateful, keep practicing. Namaste.